we use AI as a tool, as an assistant, as, a team that kind of knows you and can brainstorm with you. It's pretty fascinating in all aspects and what you can do with it. You're able to upload PDFs or drop in a link if you're trying to get more information on something. And for example, in real estate, let's just say your listings, you have like your own normal way of presenting your listings or your tone. You can upload that into Chatgpt for your new home that you're selling, and then have it sound the same. I know that doesn't seem like a whole lot of a big deal, but really it's all these little time savers, where you're not having to take so much time to come up with details of everything, when some of those details can just be given to you and you can tweak it a little bit. Another fun way that we've mentioned before is it reads those documents like through the PDF. So if you upload that PDF and it's HOA docs and you want to know about pet restrictions and da 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 da, it can read the docs. It can tell you the information. It can also tell you what page it's on. So because you do want to verify it. I mean, it is AI, it is artificial intelligence. So you want to verify. You don't necessarily want to copy and paste everything. But there's so much you can do with it. It really is. So we created a webinar. It's recorded, it's pre-recorded, and all you have to do is go to theunengagedagent.com. I think I'll put that up here. And it's really informative. And even if you're not in real estate, and this is just a way to create content outside of the ordinary way, more of a futuristic, what's up and coming way, kind of just rolling with it. You got to adapt. You have to adapt in this business. And I'm not saying postcards are dead, but kind of are in a sense, where people aren't reading them and they're throwing them in the trash, and not everybody's on social media. We get it, but a good chunk is. And that good chunk is scrolling, and that good chunk needs to see you on there and hear your voice and know what you're doing. So our goal with the AI and automation is, one, to help you, get started with making your videos. AI through ChatGPT, you can ask it, give me a script on the steps on buying a home. It prints out, it gives you a full detailed script that you can copy and paste into CapCut, which we like to do, and use the teleprompter feature. And when you're using the teleprompter feature, that script that ChatGPT just gave you is right there. You're reading it off. It even has an AI autocorrect. So if your eyes are over here, it can refocus it over here. But besides that, lost my train of thought. Just got a text and ta-da. But anyway, so oh gosh, this is how it goes. Because I was rambling on. I just saw a text. I should pause it. This is the real world. So anyway, let's see. Yeah, so yeah, that's right. Okay, took me a minute. It takes anyway, it goes to your scripts, right? So you're reading that off the teleprompter. Now you've got good information that you've said clearly, and then with that same app, CapCut, you're able to, it's called background remove. So I can remove me out of this car background and insert another image. I can insert another photo. I can insert another video. It's called a green screen. It's what's behind you. So now I've got me with a green screen image, whatever that may be. Again, ChatGPT through Dolly can generate a AI pic based on what are the steps to buying a home. It can come up with some kind of graphic to go with it. That's a whole other thing. And again, all this is in the webinar, so it's step by step. And it'll just get you started on the possibilities. It's not the only way. It's not the only way at all, and it's always going to change. But this will at least help you get started, a little bit familiar with the apps, a little bit familiar what you like about it, what you don't like about it. But the goal is to save you time, get that content made, whether it's you can even do a faceless channel, which we're not fans of. But if it's a filler content and it's something to just get your information out there on social media, then let's get started that way. But the goal is for you to be on screen and talking, and people are going to connect with you, and that's how that works. I think that's about it. But I'm going to do more of these talking videos, and hopefully you can break it down and just get more stuff out there. But again, with the AI, that's the creating part of it, but then the automation is what's exciting to me. One of the tools that we use is repurpose.io. And with repurpose.io, what it does is you create your one content. So basically I'm making my Facebook reel. And this Facebook reel I will post through, well, I've created a workflow through Repurpose. So anyway, that's a little, it's not complicated, it sounds complicated. But anyway, create that one video, post it with a specific hashtag, and that one video is going to carry on through to the other platforms that we set it up for. So that Facebook reel will now become a TikTok, a YouTube short. It'll go on LinkedIn. It'll go on, Pinterest, Instagram, X, all that stuff. And then there's another tool that we use. Oh gosh, Tony's usually the one doing that. It's not Zapier. Zapier and Chatgpt is something else. Oh boy, what he's gonna have to put in the comments. But whatever it is, it allows you to schedule everything out. Shoot. But the point on being on different platforms, really, it's not to be like, oh, I'm on everything here, there, and everywhere. But people are in different places. Not everybody's on Instagram. Not everybody's on Facebook. So it's kind of a way to reach an audience, which is your clients, right? Now with that, it's not an immediate phone call right away. It could be, and it's great when it is, but it definitely does not need to be. This is a long-term game. This is where we're growing a community. We're getting to know people. They're getting to know us, and over time, the referrals will come in. The partnerships will come in, the collaborations will come in. But again, this allows you to create that one video, get it across the board to all these other places. And in that way, and not to say that way, when it's across those different platforms, it's the same hashtag, same video, same everything, but they perform differently. And I think the main thing to look at that is to see that don't overthink your video. Like don't put too much stress or pressure on, like, why didn't this one go viral, or why didn't this da-da-da. And you don't really, not to say you don't want to go viral. Of course you want your videos to perform well, especially if you're monetizing off your views and things like that. But the main thing is to know who your audience is. Social media is a tool. It can be used very strategically. And know who your audience is. So I'm not looking for a video to go viral. We're looking to reach a real estate audience or an entrepreneur audience that, this can benefit from. That they can benefit from what we have to bring to the table, whether it's learning new tech skills or how we're doing real estate, or how do we, deal with situations, or how to motivate, or, and then on the flip side, we have our real estate channel, which is our handle, which is Pasco Tampa Vibes, and that we network with the local community by showcasing local business spotlights. And again, all this is via Zoom. It turns into a podcast / interview that can be chopped up into shorts, reels, TikTok. So, it goes a long way, and all these things can be extracted, and you can get a blog out of it. You can get carousels, Instagram carousel slides out of it. Anyway, I think I did pretty good. Who knows how long I've been rambling on here? Oh my gosh, 10 minutes. So yeah, I'm going to treat it like a live. There's some bits in here that probably could be cut, but we'll see. Have a great weekend. Thank you.